Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I've been receiving DMs on Instagram wherein the stampers they have are not working properly. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys what I did in order to make my clear stamper work well. As you can see in my past videos, I've been using this stamper for almost all of my stamping videos. And now the stamper head is somehow, broken. It has a tiny crack in the middle. So I'm gonna be replacing it with a new one. So now I'll be trying the stamper first. And I'm also using a regular nail polish. As you can see, it didn't pick up the image that well. So, how to fix this? We have here a container with a room temperature water. And now I'm pumping dishwashing liquid onto it. Then let's mix it a bit. Then I'm soaking the stamper, and I'm carefully washing it. Then after that, rinse it well. Then to let it dry, I'm using a paper towel, and I'm dabbing it onto it. Then I'm using a lint roller, but you can use a packing tape if you want. This will remove any dirt or any lints on the stamper. After all of those steps, let's try the stamper. As you can see, the image is clearer and more crisp. Here's the before and after. I hope this video helps you. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!